Hi, my name is Nazareth, and now I will present my point of view on two very interesting videos. I want to emphasize that the two I like it a lot, but I will start talking about the spellbinding art of human anatomy. Anatomy is one of the most interesting and intense subjects of science. However, we don't all have the happiness to study it through all. Usually, when people think about anatomy, and I include myself, they think about the human body in long books, infinity part of the body, with infinity names difficult to memorize. However, this video has sincerely impressed me. Has expressed anatomy has art, and art is one of the most inspiring terms there is when it comes to putting art together with the anatomy and present an easier and entertaining way to we have to learn a little more about the science. I found something surprising. I love the work of Nietzsche, one of the contemporary artists that mixes anatomy, urban art, and heavy metal. We are young and personality. I love seeing the walls of the streets full of painting, and I really liked his work. When Jason Franny and his magnificent idea to present the anatomical, it seemed incredible to me. Has this present us with a new way of saying the anatomy and of knowing ourselves and our body since we're children, eliminating that fear that we have of being able to identify every organ that we have. Personality, this video I like it a lot since the anatomy certainly. It's too interesting and to be able to study in a more artistic way to connect us more thoroughly with science seems incredible. I can see that I changed my view about anatomy, and I would love to be able to know the art of these two great characters of many others. My second video is the scientist makes ears out of apples. Well, the truth that this topic left me rather surprised. When I start the video, I say good is only a technician playing with junk, but this technician better say that's what it really is. I'm left without words to show me what you can do with apples. I love the way in which it expresses itself from its laboratory, and it seems to me one of the most interesting laboratories since it leaves to the creativity of the students and people that answer the question that have using waste. It's really interesting. However, what I really care my attention is the experiment that has Andrew peddling with apples. The first things I wonder is who is the court to do this. It is surprising to be able to discover or experiment better with human cells in fruits. This issue, aside from changing my way of seeing the waste, left me with a great concern about this experiment. Can science really advance further and implement this system in humans? It is a difficult question to answer, but nevertheless it surprised me to see that these works will solve many problems and of disease in humans. Well, to conclude my point of view or my opinion, I want to say that I was shocked by two videos. They showed me another point of view about science and gave me very different ways to knowing more about these great subjects. And I liked very much these two videos because they talk about science, art, and new forms of new ways to look sciences, and I like very much these videos. And this is the bibliography. Thank you so much.